Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons and manga. Today it's manga. It's manga day. I'm going to show you how to draw a manga face in a 3/4 view. So we're going to start with the basic shape of the face. As you can see, the chin is a little off to the side rather than straight down because she's in a 3/4 view. And to show that, here's the center line. Okay, and we'll put the neck over here. So she's kind of tilting her head down a little bit, like so. And here's an eye line, and that's also follows the shape of the head. The shape is turned this way, so that the eye line is also turned. And let's just put an outline of the hair in so we know where we're going with all of this. And we'll bring this up here. So look, we already have a basic construction of the head. And we haven't even started with any features yet. All of a sudden you start to see it. So it's a very, very easy and complete way to lay out a character is to start with the construction. All right, so now let's put the near eye in. And I'm going to finish this up in black. So a very heavy upper eyelid and a smaller eyelid on the other side because of perspective. This is nearer to us. As the face turns, it's further in that direction. And we have here a nice oval shape and a flattened oval shape for the far side. And this will come up with some, we'll bring those eyelashes up, like so. A nice arching eyebrow on either side, a smaller one on the far side. Just bring a little dot here, just a dot to indicate the nose. And just a straight mouth, and give it a little turn at the end. That's all you really need. Something subtle like that is all you need. And we're going to make that chin come to just about a point. We're going to bring the face down here, and over here, right here, is the cheek area, kind of a soft mass right there. And we're going to have a little flap for the eyelid right there. This is going to come in front. And now we can start over with a trusty pen. All right, let's start on the near eye, because that one is the most elaborate feature of the face. So a really thick upper eyelid, and the same on this side. And we'll add a few eyelashes like so, coming off the side of the eye. And now we will concentrate on making a nice oval eyeball like so. That's good. And a little lower eyelid, which is very small and straight. Same thing on this side, but a very slender eye on this side. I'm going to bring that eyelid up a little bit. There we go. And a nice arched eyebrow. Bring that line up like so. And you put a little shadow, just a touch of a shadow for the lip. And we'll bring that nose like so. Now let's bring this part right in here, right near the eye, in a little bit like that. And then a nice flow to the face. It comes out here at the cheek and then comes in at the chin, like that. See? In, out, in. And we'll bring around the jawline. Nice flowing curve like that. I'm going to put a little shadow under here. Now for the eye, I'm going to put a nice big shine over here. And a nice big shine in this area. And a little shine here. A small shine here. And then fill in like this. A nice crescent shine over here. Okay. And bring that eyelid down a little further. couple eyelashes over here. And we'll bring the bangs out in front. Kind of irregular, so they're not just too predictable. And bring this part here that flops way down, start high on the head, round it off in the back here, and we can just have some hair, just kind of like break it up at the bottom here. And same here. Bring that up a little higher. And just a little bit of shadow indicated here with a few streaky lines. And you've got, almost forgot the eyelid, the crease over the eyelid, which is important. Okay, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope this gives you some ideas. And I have new videos every week. I hope you subscribe. Subscribe now, and I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.